Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if it's going to be another vlog or if I'm going to add it to my previous vlogs, but we shall see when I'm editing. Today we're going to watch the final of a match, right? Two villages are in the finals. They've won us. We did not make it to the final. They defeated us, but they move. Let's go see who wins. Working with everybody's staring at me, but I really don't care. I genuinely don't care what anyone thinks. Anyways, I'm working with Kosi. Oh my god. So we are going. Follow us. So guys, this is what the village looks like. It looks typical though. Most villages look like this. Nothing special. We are trekking. Imagine a whole big girl is trekking. The amount of steps I've done in this place. Hey, there's no feet. I'm trekking. Who is this guy wearing red cap? Is he a king? I was just ready for decoration. There's a man wearing red cap. God have mercy on me for showing him. But you guys see. Okay, so back to my video. So Kosi, what will you say about the football match we're going to watch?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's very exciting.
How do you feel about your village losing?
I know the most.
Kosi does not believe in our village.
I know, I believe it, but like more people that played. I used to play that place. Not small children. So
Nemeka is a small child.
No, they're among this. If you saw that people that played that.
Yeah. I feel so.
They're open next year.
Next year we go harder. We shall win. We shall take the crown. Oh my God! See Assemblies of God Church. Wait, my father will be proud of this moment. Assemblies of God Umuaga. This is my home church. The walk continues, and we are there. I don't know if you'll be able to. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but we shall see. I don't know that this is the place that they can hit ball on our head. Kosi, this ball can just come like this. Cross to where? Okay. Kosi, I see. I'll come back when anything interesting is happening. I'll just play.
Anyway,
this year. It's a thing of joy. Round of applause to all of you that came out to do this party. It's not easy. And I believe next year, I get more. I get more. Kuna ball of wine. As a man also, I get happy as the next year. No, this year. Huh? Okay. So I'm going to present the second award for the female. The second. And that choice you Dano. And to encourage all of you that participated was easy. At this time I'm going to present the second award to Cynthia Ukwueze from Obualu to Mama. Okay, at this time, yeah, this year, I flavor all I know. And one of the ladies, it's a win-win situation. Am I right? Promise EKG from over. I'm going to present to you the first prize, which is
25,000 naira cash.
Let's go scholar. Let's go scholar. Martin!
Oh my God. I'm so happy I'm going to win. Yes, back to back. I'm going to
Yes, tournament for Igbo Nabianta. The sum of 200,000 naira.
These are the guys that came second. They're collecting their medal. A lot of chaos is happening. I'm trying to get as much clips as possible.
100,000 naira. One by one, please. One by one. In the name of our president, Mark Nebo, as well as
These are the winners. Well, I'm waiting for them to present the cup and I'll leave.
we are now presenting. Yes. Okay. And I think once again. Here is your envelope of 300,000, and then here is your trophy. I can help so much. Together, we need to do the bull. Everyone,